Hi students, today we will be discussing about trigonometry. Trigonometry is a topic that is introduced in 10th standard. It is a study of relationship between sides and angles of a right angle triangle. There are basically 6 trigonometric ratios which form the basis for trigonometry. We will discuss each ratio in detail. Here are the 6 ratios. First one is sine ratio, which is the ratio of opposite side divided by hypotenuse. The second one is cosine, which is a ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. The next one is tangent, it is opposite side by adjacent side. And the next one is cosecant, which is hypotenuse by opposite side. Then it is secant, which is hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cotangent, which is adjacent by opposite side. We will see how it comes using this diagram. So here we have 3 angles, A, B and C, and B is a right angle. So when we talk about trigonometric ratios, we will be taking an acute angle. We will not take B, we will take either A or C. Now we can take A. So what is the adjacent side of A? Which is a side that touches A, and that is AB. And what is the opposite side of A? That is BC. And hypotenuse is AC for this triangle. Hypotenuse is a side which is opposite to the right angle. So these are the sides. And we'll write down all the ratios. What is sine A? Here sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. And what is cosine? Cosine A. Cosine is also called cos. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. And tangent. Tangent is called tan. Tan A is opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB. And the other one is cosecant. It is called cosec. Cosec A is hypotenuse by opposite, that is AC by BC. And the next one is secant, which is called sec. Sec A is hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC by AB. And the last one is cotangent, it is called cot. Cot A is adjacent by opposite, that is AB by BC. And see, these ratios are related to each other. For example, see sine A and cosec A. Sine A is BC by AC and cosec A is AC by BC, which is reciprocal. So sine A is reciprocal of cosec A. Likewise, cos and sec, they have the reciprocal relation. That is cos A is reciprocal of sec A. See tan A. Tan A is opposite by adjacent and cot A is adjacent by opposite. So tan and cot also have this reciprocal relationship. And if we take angle C, then AB will be the opposite side of C and BC will be the adjacent side of angle C. And we can take ratios like sin C, cos C, tan C accordingly. And see one more thing, if this angle is constant, this ratio is not going to change. If this angle is constant, like if it is 30 degree, and even if this AB is longer and AC is longer, we will get a big triangle, but the ratio will remain same. So that means for a specific angle, a trigonometric ratio is constant, it will not change. So now we will be looking for trigonometric ratio values of some standard angles that we can see in my next video.